Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making minced chicken and spaghetti. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my minced chicken. So what we're going to do now is we're going to season our minced chicken. So you will have to adjust your seasoning according to how much minced chicken you have. Okay. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of sea salt in my minced chicken here. Okay. I'm going to put some everything spicy seasoning blend. If you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description. Add some of that it. I'm going to put a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to put some green seasoning. So this is a combination of chive, thyme, peppers, different herbs and spices. I do have a video on my. Check in the description below. You'll see a video on how to make green seasoning. Okay, so this is. Let us mix all the seasoning together now. I also have a video on how to do the ginger garlic paste as well. So this is our seasoned minced chicken. If I had dried oregano, I would have added it to this as well. Unfortunately, I don't have any dried oregano. All right. Now, at this point in time, I have my water boiling for my pasta. So let me head over there so I can add the pasta to the water, and then we'll come back and start cooking our meat. Okay, so we have our seasoned chicken here. Now, what I have over here is what we're going to be putting in as well. Okay, so here I have some bell pepper, I have some frozen peas and carrots, I have some onion, and I have some seasoning peppers. So we're going to use this to add to our minced chicken and spaghetti as well. Okay? Okay, so here I have my pasta boiling. I'm using gluten-free pasta for this. Alright, so let us cook our minced chicken. I'm going to add some coconut oil to our pot here so that we can soften our onions and peppers. This is our seasoning peppers here. I'm going to add a little salt to my onions. Add some kosher salt that I added there. Alright, I'm just going to leave this to soften for a bit. Alright, so I'm going to add in my minced chicken now to cook, along with my bell pepper and peas and carrots. This one's out. Alright, so we're going to leave this to cook completely. Okay? Alright, I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. I'll add a little bit of kosher salt as I added the peas and carrots and peppers. Alright? We want the chicken to cook completely. Okay guys, so What we're going to do now is add our pasta sauce to our minced chicken. And this is optional, but I'm going to add some red pepper flakes to mine. So I'm going to leave this to cook for a bit. And to balance this off, I always like to balance off salt with sweet. So I'm going to sprinkle some jaggery powder, or you can use brown sugar. It's always good to balance the salt with the sweet, right? All right, so I'm going to cover this and allow this to simmer for a bit. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head outside and get some of my bush basil in order to add to this. Okay guys, so this is my bush basil here. So let's pick some to add to our pasta, our minced chicken and spaghetti dish, okay? All right, so I got this. I think this is good. So we're going to add this to it. All right, so I'm going to add in the bush basil that I picked from the garden. If I had sweet basil, I would have used it, but my sweet basils are still baby seedlings, so I don't have any as yet. Of course, you will want to taste for seasoning, guys, and adjust to suit. All right, so now that our minced chicken is cooked, we're going to add in our spaghetti. So guys, don't forget you would add sugar to taste and salt to taste. Of course, if you want to add more spice, you can do that. As a matter of fact, I think I'll probably add a little bit of cayenne pepper also to my own. Cayenne pepper is very good for the heart.